Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Road Safety Rules. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn words showing possession. Before this, in your English for Grade 1, you have already learnt about words showing possessions. I hope you remember the concept I have taught you. Otherwise, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to identify and use. Identify and use words showing possession. For example, my, your, his, her, our, their, and its. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 116, all are obedient unto him. Yes, my dear students, better what this beautiful verse is telling us. Everything, everyone is Allah's obedient. Obedient in a way, whatever Allah wants, the reply is yes, we do that. For example, every day sun rises in the east. Sun is obedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every night stars you can see shining on the sky. Stars are obedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So beta, it's a huge message for us to be obedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should also follow the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the way rest of the things in the nature we see them following Allah's command to be obedient. May Allah make it easy for us, beta. Whatever Allah commands us, we should do that. Okay? Are you learning Quran? Are you offering namaz every day? Good job, beta. This is what Allah wants us to do, right? Okay, my dear students. Now, let's start with this question. Do you know about possession words? You have studied in Grade 1, so you must remember it. And what do possession words show? What do they show to us? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, you are smart. I hope you answered correctly that possession words are my, our, your, her, his, their, and its. All these are possession words. My, our, your, her, his, their, and its. Right? These are possession words. And what do they show? They tell us words showing possession are my, your, his, her, our, and their. For example, I am his brother. It is my bag. So what are these words showing? These words, possession words, shows ownership. Like, whose bag is this? This bag is mine. Who is the owner of this bag? I am. So, whom something belongs to, how do we find out? Through possession. Possession words tell us the ownership of something, right? So these are, how do we find it? For example, this boy, he's saying, hi, I am Subhan, and this is my dog. Now, Subhan is saying, this is my dog. So he's telling, like, I am the owner of this dog. This is how beta possession words tell us about the ownership of thing. Like, what belongs to whom, right? Who is this marker? This is my marker. Okay, so who is the owner of this marker? I am. This is how possession words tell us who is the owner of something, right? Okay. Is it wrong to leave food on my plate? So she's asking, what is the possession word over here? My. She is the owner of the plate. Okay. This is her car. Now, whose car is this? Her. This word is telling us about who is owner of the car. So, this is a possession word. Okay. Showing possession. Their house is beautiful. Now, whose house is this? It's there. So, there is a possession word. This word is showing possession. Okay. It is my new laptop. So, this laptop, she's telling us who is the owner of this laptop? I am. She's saying this is my laptop. So, my is the word showing possession, right? Farhan is the tallest in our class. Like our class, everyone in our class. So whose class? This is our class, and Farhan is tallest, right? This is how this word our is telling us the possession of the class. So this is how, beta. For I, the possession word is my. For we, possession word is our. For you, possession is your. He, his, her, it, its, they, their. Right? This is, so all these words are possession words which we use to show possession of something. Right? Okay. So let's practice this concept through an activity. Teacher will collect some objects from class. Every object should belong to the students and teacher. Teacher will show an object and ask this object belongs to, and students will tell the object belongs to by using words showing possession. Means like this object belongs to him or her, or this is his pencil, this is her book, it is my bag. This is how you're gonna do this activity. So pause the video, answer, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now let's practice it from your book. All of you, open your books and start doing question 2. What you are going to do? Choose the correct word that shows possession for each sentence. You will read the sentence and you will fill in the blank by using possession word. Okay, so pause the video, complete this task in your books, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. This is a passage given to you. Teacher, you may take the same passage, and if you want to give us another one, you may give it to students. Students will read the passage and encircle. First, you encircle words showing possessions in this passage, and then use these words in your own sentences. For example, this is a photo of our family. First, you will circle it, and then you will use this possession word in your own sentence again. So here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So we have learned that words showing possession are my, our, his, her, its, their, and your. And we also learned the use of words showing possession. So we achieved our SLO to identify and use words showing possession. For example, my, your, his, her, our, their, and its. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.